For logging on to ABC15.com, I'm Allison Rodriguez. Well, it's going to be another hot and breezy day for us here. The temperature is staying pretty hot this week, but we are increasing those rain chances as we go on in through the end of the work week. We'll track that in just a second. But first, today topping out at 106 degrees with those winds kicking up as well. Here's a look at those rising temperatures in your car, though. Because we're going to be pretty hot again, I wanted to show you this just to give you an example. 105, let's say, if it is outside, your car in 30 minutes will raise 34 degrees. So inside the car, it'll feel like 139. I just wanted to show you guys this because those temperatures are starting to get really hot. We're getting in that time of the year. Want to make sure you're aware of how drastic things can be inside, making sure we're not leaving pets, kids, anything in there that shouldn't be in there. Wind speeds today in the meantime, want to talk about this too as we track some breezes in the valley. Sustained winds will be up to 15 miles an hour and gusts up to 20 miles an hour. And then in northern Arizona, seeing those winds a little bit stronger with potential gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Now, breezy conditions, dry air, hot temperatures, all of that prompting this red flag warning that we have for northeastern Arizona today. So this will include parts of Flagstaff and along the I-40 corridor if you're going to be traveling today. But down the road, we are starting to track some moisture here, and it's going to start with Tropical Storm Bud. That's where it is right now, just turning off the south western Mexican coast. As I press play on this one, you see it's projected to become a Category 1 hurricane by tomorrow, and it'll stay that way as it continues to churn up the coast there through Wednesday with winds up to 90 miles an hour. Now it'll lose steam as we go into the later part of the week, but at that point, it's a little bit closer to us and we'll start to draw in some of the moisture. So look out for 10% rain chances Wednesday and Thursday, and then we bump that up through the end of the work week and in through the weekend as well, as our temperatures will also start to go down with this one. So I'll show you that in the 7-day in just a second. Hang tight. But the valley highs today topping out in the mid to low 100s today. So we're going to see 103 in Mesa as well as Apache Junction and Scottsdale, 104 in Tempe and Laveen, 103 for us today in Glendale, Peoria, as well as Surprise. Across the state up to our north, we'll see temperatures in the 80s in Flagstaff, mid 90s in Sedona, upper 80s in Prescott, but still pretty hot in those northwestern pockets of Bullhead City, Lake Havasu City, and Quartzsite. Now for us, temperatures will continue to get hotter for the next few days. We're up to 108 on Tuesday and Wednesday. We start to usher in those rain chances, and look what happens to the temperatures by the end of the week. We increase those rain chances, but we drop the temps. By next weekend, we're looking at highs only in the mid-90s.